How to link TikTok to a Facebook page on PC. So if you want to link your TikTok account to your Facebook page, then all you have to do is first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then open up your Facebook. And now on the upper right corner you will have profile. Tap on your profile and then go to see all profiles and choose your Facebook page. And after opening your Facebook page, on the left side you will have a bunch of options. Scroll down and go to edit page info, and here scroll all the way down and you will find add accounts. So you can click on the plus icon and you can select the drop down bar, and then you can choose TikTok. And now here you have to enter your account username, so enter your TikTok username. So that's it guys, that's how you add or link your TikTok to a Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.